No way. Wait, the orange key got... What the heck? Why is she here? Oh no, no way. No. Drone, you have to come. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Wait. Oh, you have to tap that button up here. Tap that. Oh no, I don't want to let that opila bird. She's gonna come over me and kill me. Let's see if there's a jump scare over here. Oh wait, I should go run. What just happened? What just happened? Hey, what's going on? What the? No way. No. Oh, it's dead. Jumbo shot. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing Garten of Banban. So let's get right into it. Okay, what's in this? Wait, what's this? What for a parent looking for their missing child? Time is a delicate matter. If they got to a bench. Time? Okay. Okay. What? Wait. What was that over here? What was that? Why did it turn red? Is this supposed to be fire alarm? Okay. Some suspicious around here. Oh, I guess we're in the game right now. Drag the controllers for movement. Oh, I already know this because I have to press interact icon to interact with icons. Objects. What Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Okay. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, look at that. Okay. Alright. Wait. Oh. Let's put that. What's inside over here? Whoa, what is this? It looks like... Oh, there's a remote. Let's grab it. Okay. Well, the remote requires 2 batteries. Oh, we have to find 2 batteries? For what? Cafeteria. Oh, we're in this cafeteria. Oh, Stinger Flint says having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Okay. Oh, there's a battery over here. Let's go. Grab the battery. Oh. Got another battery. Okay, so. What the? Oh, that's what you find 2 batteries for this drone? What? Okay. Wait. Press remote. Icon to use your toy. Oh yeah. It's like that. Oh. Press teleport icon to teleport toy to the nearest room. Okay. What? Wait, why is it not opening? What's inside over here? I don't know. Wait. Oh wait. There's something over here. To press that. Is this gonna like open? Is it open? Let's go. I just saw a pink chicken over here. What am I supposed to do? Oh my gosh. This is dark. Man. What are those? Wait, hold on a sec. What are those characters over here? Bambolino says kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Okay. Captain Fiddle says ooga booga booga ooga. Why did you copy Jack, I guess? It's not that good, probably. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. Banban says sharing is scaring. Your pancreas is mine. What? Wait, what do you mean pancreas? For what? What am I supposed to do over here? Like, I should go around here? And I can't. Oh, wait. There's something to press over here. Oh. Alright, bet. I should take a look at the... Wait. What? Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Where I found one egg over here. Bulb it closed. Oh, there's an egg over here. Get that. And yeah, I don't know which one. Oh, there's an egg over here. You can grab it. Okay, I'm gonna find something eggs over here. Alright, let me just go over here and where is it? Where is it? Oh, there's the egg over here. It's almost full. I don't want to let it fall because, yeah, I don't remember as well. Wait, oh. Come on. Do I have more? Do I have more? Oh, I have more. I'll find eggs to feed up blubber. Okay, where is this? Oh, there's something pressed over here. What? I see something over here. Oh, press this. What did I do? Wait. Okay. Oh, I found the egg over here. Okay. An egg. Let's go. I got 2 eggs. Let's go. Hey, grab it. Grab it. Okay. Okay. Let's feed up a bird. I think we found 6 eggs, right? We definitely find it. Let's feed it. Oh, what? Wait, there's more? What? I thought there was supposed to be 6 of them. Oh wait, no. You have to press over here. So wait, where's the drone? What did I do? Oh. Hey, what? There's an egg over here. What? Grab it. Grab it. Why is it not letting me grab it? Okay, fine. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, feed it to Opila bird, I guess. Ugh, what is that? What is that? Claim your reward at the mouth. I got a yellow key card. What? So this chicken over here. Should I? Oh, I should press this over here. Hello? Okay, there we go. What am I supposed to do? Teleport the drone over here and break it over here? Break it. Bro, I'm just playing the mobile one, baby, because it doesn't let me. It doesn't let me. Dude, I can't even talk. It doesn't let me. It doesn't let me press anything for interact of them. What? I should kick these tables and. Where am I? What the? Oh. Okay. Wait, what's this? Naughty corner? I don't care. I don't care. I'm just gonna press over here. Is it gonna break? What the? Oh, it just break. Now go, buddy. Go over here. Go. Press. Press, boy. Let's go. What? It just opened over here. What? Oh, no way. Just give me that. All right. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait, what's this? There's some paper over here. Oh my gosh, this stupid table over here. Distraction at 1. What? What do you mean by that? Oh, there's a... What the heck is this? Bring me Frank Day stickers. Are you kidding me? What is this, dude? Oh, I thought it was supposed to be turned off. But yeah, let's just go. Oh, are there the boards over here? Should I break it? Oh, I could just break over here. Bam. Let's go. We did it. Press jump icon to jump. What is this? Opila Bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. You think you're laughing? Wait, laughter? Oh, so her name is Opila Bird. So yeah, she's not a chicken. She's a bird. What am I supposed to do? Like, I don't know what am I supposed to do. I'm trapped over here. I'm lost. What are these feet over there? Are those like the Opila Bird? Oh wait, there's something I have to press. Press. Why do I say that? What? There's a couch over here. Should I go here? Go. Okay, there we go. And now I should go over here. Okay. Oh, looks like I'm just riding. Wait, why is there a 2D? Why is there two couches over here? Maybe it's like, okay, we made it. What is this? What was my color? Okay. Wait, I know these colors before. So that guy is red. So that girl, she is white. She's white. She's white. Click it. Okay. Where is it? Okay, there we go. Right here. That one, I don't know, forgot his name. Named Jumbo Josh, I guess? Yes. He's green. And then Opila Bird is pink because she's just pink. The Opila Bird. And then, wait, what's his name again? I don't know. Forgot that one. Okay. Oh, that's supposed to be, I don't know, is that a jellyfish or an octopus? No, that's not a jelly. That's not an octopus. That's a jelly. I should. That's a stinger. Oh, that's Stinger Flynn. I noticed about that. Let's go. We got all these characters. Oh, we got the orange key card. Wait. Is there something I have to do? Whoa. Wait. There's a paper over here. What's this? I want to. What? A bird? No way. No way. Get the orange key card. What the heck? Why is she here? Oh no way. No. Drone, you have to come. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Wait. Oh, you have to tap that button up here. Tap that. Oh no, I don't want to let that opila bird. She's gonna come over me and kill me. Let's see if there's a jump scare up here. Oh wait, I should go run. Oh, okay, that's supposed to be a good idea. No, go. We got her. Let's go. Yep, she's gone. Okay. Wait, what am I supposed to do? But wait, there's a purple key card over here? Wait, what's inside? Oh no. I don't know what's inside over here, but yeah. I don't know what am I supposed to do, but I started this game and I don't know what am I supposed to do. Let's go to the cafeteria, I guess. What the heck is that? Wait. What? For you? That's for me? Oh, there's a tape over here. What is that? Is that a calculator? I think that's a calculator. Let's put it. No. I think those are the kids, I guess. What was that? Bro, those are the kids that died over. Wait, what was that sound? Oh my goodness. No. That was so creepy. No way. I guess I should. Oh. Those are the. Okay. What am I supposed to. Oh, there's a press over here. Wait. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Bro. Oh, you have to press over here? Let's teleport their drone in. Press over here. Press it. Press it. Press it! Okay. Now. Alright. Whoa. What? What the heck? What? Is that an elevation over here? Is that an elevator? Is that an elevator? What? Okay. Okay. How did this chair over here? Go away, dude. Get out. Get out. Get. What? Hey. Just go fall. 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 Oh my. Did I just kick the garbage one? Did I just kick the garbage? Oh, yes, yes. Fell. Yes, yes. What? No way. There's no way that did it. That did it. Nothing. That did it. What about this one? Is it going to fall? Is it going to fall? Fine. What happens if I fall over here? I'm floating. What? I think this game is made by bug. I think this game is bug, I guess. Okay, that chair just fell over. Or they just... Okay. I guess we're gonna go. Is this the end? Okay. What? What was that shaking around? Why is the chair ballerina? It's like what? What just happened? What just happened? Hey, what's going on? What the? No way! No! Oh, it's dead! Jumbo jump! Jumbo Josh, you just. Oh my! Why? Why would you crash the elevator? You just. Oh wait, is it? Oh wait. We're gonna play chapter 2 for this? Thanks for playing. Play Garten of Banban 2. It says an ad. Well, I guess. Oh, that's it, everyone. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back and. Yeah, I don't think I will. I don't know. Okay. Alright, everyone, this is it for playing Garten of Banban. That's kind of smells so creepy. And yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out. Reach me for 1,000 subs or 600 subs or 670 subs. I will be that great to happen. I'm gonna make that video for that. So yeah, peace out.